Good day, respected committee members. My name is Mark Lorenzo Sambali.
My name is Brian Grant A. Diaz.
Today, we are presenting the final defense of our research titled Correlation of the Examinations Factors Influencing Humanities and Social Sciences Students' Timeliness in Completing Assignments at Governor Ferrero Memorial Integrated National High School, Santa Clara Extension. To set the context, I would like to briefly discuss the importance of this research. These submissions are a common issue among students, often leading to academic challenges. In the human strands, assignments typically require critical thinking and extensive research, making timely completion essential. This issue is essential and significant because procrastination, external responsibilities, and academic workload can negatively impact students' academic performance. This study addresses this concern by examining the correlation between students' personal time, management, workload, and academic motivation with their ability to submit their assignments on time. The findings aim to provide educators and school administrators with insights that can help develop strategies to improve assignment punctuality and enhance academic discipline among students.
For students in humanities and social science, there are often unique challenges that can affect their ability to submit assignments on time. These studies frequently deal with complex tasks that require extensive research and deep thinking understanding. Specific reasons behind late submissions for these students can help educators develop better strategies to support them and make it easier for them to manage their assignments effectively. Statement of the problem. This study aims to quantitatively investigate the factors influencing the timeliness of humanities and social science students at Governor Ferrer Memorial National Integrated High School, Santa Clara Extension in submitting their assignments. Despite existing research, there remains a significant gap in understanding the various elements that contribute to late submissions. This research seeks to identify the underlying causes and propose strategies to improve students' punctuality in completing academic tasks in pursuit of this objective. The study seeks to address the following key questions. What extent do personal time management workload and external commitments influencing timeliness of assignment submissions? What degree does academic motivation affect the timeliness assignment of submissions among young students? What are key factors contributing to this phenomenon?
This study will involve grade 11 and grade 12 students enrolled in the academic year 2024 to 2025 at Governor Ferrer Memorial Integrated National High School, Santa Clara Extension. The respondents are currently taking the Humanities and Social Science or UM strand in the Senior High School Curriculum or SHS. Eight respondents selected from the following 15 sections which are 12 Thompson, 12 Descartes, 12 Gardner, 12 Dixon, 12 Harford, 12 Dewey, 12 Sterner, 11 Mastu, 11 Merton, 11 Freud, 11 Spencer, 11 Marx, 11 Giddens, 11 Collins, 11 Friedmans. These sections will be subjected and given surveys and questionnaires. Specifically, our study seeks to determine the primary factors influencing the timeliness of assignment submissions in terms of support mechanism, such as deadline extensions, academic workload, and time management resources such as Pomodoro timers, SAMRT goals, to-do lists, etc. Evaluate how the perceived workload and complexity of assignments affects students' timeliness in submitting their work. And lastly, assess the role of external commitments such as part-time jobs, family responsibilities, and extracurricular activities in influencing students' ability to submit assignments on time. According to Helion on year 2024, assignments and examinations are commonly used in higher education to assess students' academic progress and performance. In many courses, assignments can account for 40 to 60% of a student's final grade, despite the potential impact on their grades. Many students engage in academic According to Helion on year 2024, assignments and examinations are commonly used in higher education to assess students' academic progress and performance. In many courses, assignments can account for 40 to 60% of a student's final grade. Despite the potential impact on their grades, many students engage in academic procrastination, often delaying the completion of their assignments. This widespread phenomenon has raised concerns among academics and educators, leading to numerous studies aimed at understanding the underlying causes and identifying effective solutions. These studies investigate the strategies students employ to manage their academic workloads and the correlation between these strategies and the accumulation of these experiences. According to Corpusik and other researchers on year 2022, at the month of August, deadlines are an integral part of adult life, with college serving as a critical period for students to develop skills in managing and meeting them. To prevent students and faculty from falling behind, most courses implement late submissions policies. These policies typically motivate timely submissions through incentives. These incentives are a combination of both. Instructors often select a policy that suits their teaching style and apply it consistently throughout the course. Lastly, through Rosen study in year 2020, examination of technology-induced procrastination highlights the role that smartphones and social media play in task avoidance. This is particularly relevant into our research, given the growing ubiquity of digital instructions among students. This study suggests that technology use may be a significant factor contributing to late submissions among young students, calling for strategies to manage these distractions effectively. We use input process output model to demonstrate the factors influencing young students to know the correlation of late submissions at the school. In the paradigm of our research paper, it examines the correlation of late submissions among young trans students. Firstly, the input variables, including the profile of the respondents such as age, gender, socioeconomic status, and geographic location. Second, the process of this research will involve the analysis of data through questionnaires, data collection, data analysis, and results and interpretation. And the anticipated outputs of the research encompasses changes in students' changes and improvements in test scores, assignment completion rates, or final grades of trans students. Furthermore, the study aims to identify the changes and improvement in on-time submissions of trans students, perceived benefits and drawbacks on academic performance amid this demographic. And this framework allows you to analyze the relationship between the variables. Our study is anchored to the Theory of Academic Time Management and External Influences, or TAMI, on year 2023 as is established. It provides a framework for examining the factors affecting students' ability to assignments on time. TAMI identifies three primary influences, which are personal time management, academic workload, and external commitments. Effective time management help students meet deadlines, while a heavy workload and external obligations like part-time jobs or family responsibilities can lead to delays. Applying TAMI to this study will help analyze how these factors interact and impact the timeliness of assignment submissions among young students. By investigating these dynamics, this research aims to identify key challenges faced by students and explore strategies to improve their punctuality in completing academic tasks. The findings will offer insights into the specific issues affecting assignment timeliness and provide recommendations for interventions to support students in managing their time more effectively. Understanding these factors is crucial for enhancing students' academic performance and meeting deadlines.
This study, based on Ryan and Desis 2000 Self-Determination Theory (SDT), offers a crucial framework for analyzing the factors affecting student punctuality and submission assignments. Pursuing autonomous goals, for instance, can lead to greater fulfillment and well-being, while working toward controlled goals may hinder these needs, resulting in poorer well-being. Research on SDT has revealed that autonomous motivation correlates with enhanced performance and engaging of challenging tasks.
This table 2 examines the correlation between personal time management, workload, external commitments, and student timeliness in submitting assignments. To conclude, this procrastination and stress appear to be the key factors contributing to late submissions, suggesting a need for improved time management and stress management techniques. Here, in the table 2, it presents the influence of academic motivation on the punctuality of assignment for submissions among young students. It examines key factors such as time management skills, hours spent on assignments, personal issues, or perceived teacher support, assignment complexity, and students' likelihood of seeking help. A significant portion here of students rate their time management skills as either average or 43.2% or good like 44.2%, indicating that most students have a moderate to strong time management skills. However, 10.5% of students rated their skills as poor, suggesting a small group struggles with managing their time effectively. Time management skills moderately influence assignment punctuality, with students who rate their skills as good or excellent, being more likely to submit on time. Here, most students like 51.6%, spend 1 to 2 hours per day on assignments, while 23.2% dedicate 3 to 4 hours. Only 9.5% of students invest more than 4 hours, while the rest spend less than 1 hour. While those spending less than 1 hour may struggle to miss deadlines. Here in the third line, 54.7% of students reported no personal issues affecting their submissions, while 45.8% said personal issues do affect their ability to submit on time. Personal challenges such as health or family concerns negatively impact a significant portion of students' ability to submit assignments on time. Nearly half, 47.4%, feel moderately supported by teachers, while 28.4% feel slightly supported, and 21.1% feel slightly supported. Higher teacher support correlates with improved assignment punctuality, while students who feel unsupported may struggle more with deadlines. 35.8% prioritize tasks and follow a schedule, while 23.2% start assignments close to a deadline, and 40% work on assignments when they have time. Students who prioritize and follow a schedule tend to submit on time, while those who delay their work are more prone to late submissions. More than half said complexity slightly affects their timeliness, while 27.4% said it moderately impacts their submissions. Only 5.3% feel it significantly affects them, while assignment difficulty plays a role. Most students can manage their work unless the task is particularly complex. 43.2% of students are neutral about seeking help, while 29.5% are likely and 6.3% are very likely to seek assistance. 17.9% are unlikely to ask for help, and 3.2 are very unlikely. When struggling tend to have better academic motivation and are more likely to submit assignments on time. By analyzing these indicators, the table highlights how students' academic motivation affects their ability to meet deadlines, providing insights into the relationship between student study habits, external influences, and submission timelines. Lumulap.
A statistical assessment of contributing to late assignments submissions among UM students. The data in Table 4 highlights the most significant factors contributing to late assignment submissions among UM students. The most frequently cited reason is lack of time management, with 46.4% identifying student. It is an issue. This suggests that many students struggle with organizing their schedules effectively, leading to delays in completing their assignments. Following this difficulty in understanding lesson was reported by 31 students, 32.6 indicating that academic challenges play a minor role in submissions. Personal issues such as family and health concerns were also significant factors affecting 28 students, 29.5, which assess that external responsibilities and personal struggles hinder timely submissions. Additionally, procrastination was cited by 23.2%, reinforcing that idea that poor study habits contribute to delay work Inadequate resources such as internet access or study materials were reported by 20%, showing that some students face material constraints that affect their ability to complete assignments on time. Less commonly mentioned factors getting rest before working sleeping habits, competition, rehearsal, and leisurely activities were each reported by one student 1.1%, suggesting that while they may are not whispered concerns, that findings suggest that poor time management, academic difficulties, and personal challenges are most cited factors leading to late submissions. Procrastination and resources limitation further contribute to the issue. The results highlight the need for intervention such as time management, training, academic support programs, and resource accessibility initiatives to help students overcome these barriers. Addressing these factors can improve students' punctuality in assignment submissions and overall academic performance.
These are the key findings that we have found based on the research questions that follows. First is the influence of personal time management, workload, and external commitments on timeliness. Second is effect academic motivation on timeliness. And lastly, key factors contributing to late submissions. Overall, the findings suggest that improving students' time management strategies, academic motivation, and institutional support can significantly enhance their ability to meet deadlines. And this is the conclusions we have found. Based on the findings, this study concludes that multiple factors contribute to the timeliness of assignment submissions among young students at our school. Overall, our study highlights the importance of developing effective time management skills, enhancing academic motivation, and strengthening teacher support systems to improve students' assignment submission habits. And the following recommendations are suggested that firstly, students should develop better time management and organizational skills by setting schedules, prioritizing tasks, and minimizing distractions to improve assignment punctuality. By implementing these recommendations, students, educators, and administrators can collaboratively work toward improving assignment submission timelines and fostering academic success.
Special thanks to Ma'am Apple Rivera, our practical research. Thank you for your tireless efforts, constructive criticism, and being our guide. Thank you so much, Ma'am.
Special thanks are also given to Ma'am Fria Di Padua, licensed professional teacher, our practical research teacher from the previous year. For her tireless efforts, constructive criticism, and the knowledge she imparted, which greatly contributed to making this research possible.